Geometry students, I am Hesi, and in this presentation we will be discussing the concept of the absolute values, focusing particularly on its geometrical definitions. So the absolute value of a number denoted as x can be understood through the primary definitions, which has two, the geometrical definition and the algebraic definition. And in this session, we will delve into the geometrical perspective. So as we all know, real numbers can be represented on a straight line known as the number line of a real number, and in the middle of the line we place the number 0, where we referred as the origin. And to the right of the origin, we have the positive direction containing the positive numbers, while on the left we have the negative numbers. So you can see clearly in the diagram in front of us, and with the number line in mind, we can now define the absolute value of a number x as a distance between the number of the origin. It is important to note that since distance is always positive and the absolute value is defined as this distance, the absolute value of any number will always be greater than or equal to 0. Now let's proceed to two examples. So example number 1 is to find the absolute value of 3. So, according to our definition, the absolute value of 3 is the distance between 3 and 0. So, on the number line, now the distance equals 3 units. So, the absolute value of 3 is absolute 3 equal to positive 3. Now, let's proceed to the example number 2. So, a while ago we have the positive number. Now let's have the negative number. So find the absolute value of negative 5. Now let's calculate of negative 5, which represents the distance between negative 5 and 0 of the number line. So as shown in the diagram, this distance is also 5 units. So the absolute value of 5 is absolute negative 5 equal to positive 5. So this lesson is very easy if we just understood the absolute value, the number lines. And if you have any questions about the presentation, now please leave your comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching.